Acne is one of the most common skin diseases, impacting an estimated 85% of young adults worldwide. Traditional acne treatments such as salicylic acid, niacinamide, or benzoyl peroxide have been shown to be the most effective acne treatments, but they may be costly and have unpleasant side effects including dryness, redness, and irritation. In this video, I'll show you how to use efficient home remedies to cure acne. Apply apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting apple cider, or the unfiltered juice from pressed apples. It, like other vinegar, is known for fighting a wide range of germs and fungi. Apple cider vinegar, according to several dermatologists, can be used to treat acne and other skin disorders. Take a zinc supplement. Zinc is a vital mineral for cell development, hormone synthesis, metabolism, and immune function. Acne sufferers have lower zinc levels in their blood than persons who have clear skin, according to research. It is possible to decrease acne by taking 30 to 45 milligrams of elemental zinc each day. Make a honey and cinnamon mask. Honey and cinnamon contain antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which are two elements that contribute to acne. Honey can be used to cure acne. Acne is a common problem that has a variety of reasons. Traditional treatments like salicylic acid, niacinamide, or benzoyl peroxide are still the most efficient, according to experts, but some people may find them unpleasant. Many people choose to use natural treatments. If you have severe acne, though, you should contact a dermatologist.